Hello friends, myself Pallavi Punase. I am from BSc final years, semester 5th, and today's topic is on Werner theory in coordination compound. These are the contents of topic: introduction, postulate of Werner theory, difference between primary and secondary valencies, experimental verification of Werner theory, characteristic of cobalt amine complexes, experimental observation of Werner theory, and references. Did you know chlorophyll is a coordination compound of magnesium and the hemoglobin is coordination compound of iron? Now, the Alfred Werner is the father of modern coordination chemistry. And this is the information about the Alfred Werner. Now, the postulates of Werner theory: most of the metallic elements exhibit two types of valence, primary valence and secondary valence. Every metal tends to satisfy the both valencies. Every metal has fixed number of secondary valence. The secondary valency is always directed towards fixed position in the space. In next slide, there is a difference between primary valence and secondary valence. And there is an experimental verification of Werner's theory on the basis of conductance data and the formation of AgCl precipitate in cobalt amine complex. These are the characteristics of cobalt amine complex which is proved by Werner. He explained the properties of this compound. They show third as primary valence and 6 as secondary valence. In next slide, all about COCl36NH3 complex. In this compound, the coordination number of cobalt is 6 and all the 6 secondary valencies are occupied by NH3 molecule. This compound shows yellow color. Now in next slide, all about the complex COCl35NH3. In this compound, the coordination number of cobalt is 5. In this complex, the primary valency decide the Cl negative ion and the secondary valency satisfied by 5NH3 group. This complex showing purple color. After that, we discuss about the third complex, which is COCl34NH3. In this complex, coordination number is 4 and it's showing the green color. In next slide, we will discuss about the complex 4, which is COCl3NH3. In this complex, coordination number is 3 and it's showing violet color. And these are the structures of all 4 coordinated complexes. On the basis of this 4 complex, Werner put forth all these observations. Now in next slide, we will talk about the experimental observations of Werner theory. According to Werner theory, the observations are: firstly, we will see the primary valency of cobalt is 3 while secondary valency is 6. In next point,